Hello, it's Lisa, the Secondhand Crafter, back to show you the other nature journal that I finished. Actually, this is the second one I finished. The first one, I had it done and I spilled coffee on the cover, so I had to redo it. So here it is. I made it out of a hanging file folder, which is what I make a lot of my soft cover journals out of, because I just feel that they're made for carrying, holding lots of stuff. So, like, this is one of them. The bottoms, hold a lot of stuff in those. Back in the day. I don't think anyone uses these anymore, but anyway. Yeah, I think they're meant to hold a lot of stuff, so I figured the spine would be perfect, Down there, I'd still reinforce the spine and still put craft text and do all the stuff I do with hardcover books, but that's what I make usually my softcover books out of. Anyway, so just basic cardstock. I just made a little raised area here to put like a title or something if you want to put that. I put some muslin and trim here on the spine, and the back is just plain. 2 eyelets for the closure with some simple ribbon. And so I figured it was so big that maybe we need a simple closure. Okay, here we go. I put a front pocket here. I did sew muslin on the inside, which I do on most of mine, and craft text for the spine. So here's the first pocket with a couple tags and a time card for journaling. 2 signatures. It has not been coffee stained. There's no coffee staining in this one except for maybe a couple tags and such things like that. So it is a Recollections paper pad. Actually, I'm thinking this might have been one of their Hot Buy pads. But I bought like 3 pads because I just love this pattern. Anyway, did a little stenciling, couple pockets, some trim, just a tag in there. Lots of place for journaling, as I always do. On these ones I put some fabric tabs. Coffee filter with a little tuck spot down here with a vintage playing card. It says Believe, and this one is a tag that I put a bunch of fabrics on, but so journal on the back. Maybe trim there. Some washi tape, Martha Stewart punch, another trim here, and a couple more tags. I think I did a couple of these, but like I said, you can still journal on the backs of them. It's a botanical book I have, some ledger, doilies, little envelope pocket. Here is one of the Hermelinda tags, but I put napkin on it. Couple tags down there. More lace. There's a lot of lace in this one. Birds on a wire down there. Fabric pocket with Tsunami Rose ephemera with, it does have the tissue paper I like to put inside and sewed around. And here's another one of my collage tags. This one has a little pocket in it. It's open behind there. I do, I don't know if this is the first video you've never heard that I like to leave a lot of space for journaling. I've journaled forever, and my kids all journal. My daughters, at least, not my son. So I like to leave room for that. I think it's very therapeutic, and I don't know, just memories you can keep. Tag that I made here, just a collage of things. Sue Wilson tag with some trim from Hobby Lobby, and the envelope with another tag. Just a little stamp, I put on some muslin. A little pocket here. Another tag inside. Postcard. Some more trim. Actually, I think I have two. I got 2 pages. Little bead on here, seed bead. Of course, I can't get it on there because I'm taping. And everything goes wrong when you're taping. Okay, some more journaling spots. This middle of the signature. Another pocket. Another pocket here. This little tuck spot here underneath this rosette. Underneath the doily. And then, of course, the regular one. This is some vintage stationery. Stamping. Some tracing paper. Another pocket. Another tag. Envelope with a couple tags inside or places to journal. The big one, so I'm going to try to go a little quicker, I think. Another envelope, a Cinnamon Rose envelope. Old postcard. A little heart there. Tim Holtz, some tags. Fabric, just a little pocket there, and some file folder, and another piece of ephemera. Excuse me. Just a collage of trims. Tsunami Rose. I guess it's a tag. I made it into a tag actually. It's sewed. Coffee stain on the back. This is just a pocket. It's got a feather. Just matched so pretty. Lace. That's the end of the first one. Beginning of second. Some more stenciling. This one is made it to be a tip-in pocket. This one, oh, I thought it said something, but it's just stenciled. Tim Holtz ephemera down there. Some rosettes. Another Tsunami Rose envelope, I think. Actually, I'm not sure what this one is. But there's a tag inside to journal on. And of course oh, you know what? I just pulled that out. Oh, you know what? It had tape on there from when I, that's why it wouldn't go in. When I cut it. It's kind of funny. Anyway, let me put this back. Oh my, like I said, everything happens when I'm videotaping. Okay, I have that one in there, but you know, that's a duck spot. More stenciling. A little bag that I have some ephemera in, and back behind there is just some paper to journal on. More vintage trim, more birds on the wire. Another padded Tsunami Rose tag, and a tag that I made from manila folders. Bunch. Some banners tucked there if you'd like. Pocket over here with an old vintage tic-tac-toe sheet. Just took it off my finger. These I stapled. I only did it as texture, but most of them are glued down too. I noticed this one's not. That's why I noticed it. I'm gonna put something in here so I don't forget to do that. Some more paper. That one's so pretty. Another tuck spot there. On this side we have a little tags hanging. With a little bead there. And this one has a little bit of vintage lace on the top. I'll put that in there later. Some more Hobby Lobby trim. Little collage there. Another envelope. I think there's a tag inside this one also. There is not. We will do that. Actually, I just think that, you know, sometimes you just need an extra envelope. Some more trim. Another tag and another vintage postcard. Flip up, a Read Donnelly flip up. More stenciling. The other side of that paper. See, these are not one of the ones in the back. I don't know what happened there. Some more flowers. Pockets. Washi tape. Another fabric. This is the other piece of the vintage postcards. This one is just a little file folder tab thing. Journal on. Another coffee filter. Tuck. Some more birds. This one is just a tag I made. And now to get it in the pockets. There we go. I also included one of these big clips, but some of I collect vintage playing cards, so I put just a little bag of them in here. Another pocket, another sample of fibers, journaling cards, lots of journaling cards in this one, lots of journaling space in this one, I should say. Tim Holtz little card, another little stamp there. This one's not either. Double pockets here, both with tags. Coffee stain tags. I do up a lot of tags ahead of time, so most of them do have coffee stain paper because I do a lot of coffee stained journals. Another bag with a Tsunami Rose tag. This one doesn't have the puffy, but it does have paper to write on. Another little collage of fabric. And then back here is a pocket. There's nothing in it, but you can put whatever you'd like. Like I said, eyelets for the closures, and that's about it. So it was great fun making, except for the cover, which I had to make twice. So that wasn't great fun, but it is beautiful. And if you're interested, it will be in my Etsy store. And thank you for watching.